Hi there. Do you know what programming is? It might sound complicated, but it's actually a really cool way to make computers do amazing things. So, what is programming exactly? Well, it's a way of giving instructions to a computer, kind of like telling it what to do. Computers are really smart, but they can't do anything on their own. They need people like us to tell them what to do. And that's where programming comes in. When we program, we use special languages called programming languages to write instructions that the computer can understand. It's like writing a secret code that only the computer knows how to read. And when we give the computer those instructions, it can do all sorts of amazing things. Like make robots move, or create fun games, or even help us solve problems in the real world. That's why programming is so important. It helps us create a better world and make amazing things happen. Programming might seem scary at first, but don't worry. There are lots of different programming languages to choose from, and you don't have to learn them all at once. Some programming languages are better for making games, while others are better for making websites. It's like having different tools in a toolbox. And just like with any tool, the more you practice, the better you'll get. And that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about programming and the different programming languages that are out there. In our next videos, we will be diving deeper into the Python programming language. Python is a great language for beginners to start with, and it's used in all sorts of cool projects like web development, data science, and even video games. So, are you ready to start programming and make amazing things happen? Subscribe to our channel and make sure hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And remember, programming is all about practice and persistence, so keep at it and you'll be writing amazing programs. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.